What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will, and we back at it with another slight video, man. Look, in today's video, y'all, we're gonna be installing our JLT oil catch can, but according to them, y'all, it's called the JLT oil separator 3.0, baby. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all how it look, man. Nice product, y'all. Order this product off Amazon. All right, so the link will be in the description. If y'all have a red eye, whether it's a Challenger or Charger, if y'all have a Trackhawk, even if y'all have a Hellcat too, I believe. All right, just the regular Hellcats too, I believe. Y'all can still get this product, man. Probably take 15-20 minutes to install, if that. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all how it look. Take it out the box, all that good stuff. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, man. Look, don't get on me about my jersey, y'all. I like jerseys, man, you know, whether it's soccer or whatever, y'all. I'm not really for the teams. I just like how the jerseys look, man. See the Adidas on the chest, baby. But yeah, look, let's get to it, man. All right, CEEFAM, so as y'all can see, man, open up the box. You got your bracket right here, all right, y'all. JLT 3.0, as y'all can see. Boom, you mount this bracket. Too easy. Put that off to the side, man. Then you got your catch can, bro. This thing look good, y'all. Like I said, shout out JLT for the win, baby. You know, it also comes with your OEM fittings. All right, y'all. So it's not like any other product, man. These actually come with the OEM gaskets or whatever you want to call these. All right. So that's really why I went with this product, man. It's not like they just give you these little tubings or whatever, right, and tell you to just replace it. No, they give you brand new fittings and everything. All right, OEM type. You heard me? So that's really why I went with JLT. It's really cost friendly too, y'all. I think I got this product for like $140 something, I believe. Like I said, y'all, Amazon comes with these two little fittings to mount your catch can. All right, so that's fairly simple, man. Good little sticker, but I'm only putting that on if you sponsor me, baby. So yeah, JLT, hope y'all listening. Like I said, comes with the instructions, but who really read the instructions, man? I'm sorry, but I don't do that. Then come with this little thing, whatever this is, man. But like I said, y'all, should be a fairly simple install, man. So y'all, it is getting dark, man. Unfortunately, I started this install late, so it's pretty much my fault. So what I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna flip the car around so that I can get this natural light under the damn hood, man. So let's get to it, bro. I'm gonna give y'all a little cold start, put y'all down right quick. You heard me? First thing that you want to do, man, is take your supercharged Hemi cover off. So let's take that off, nice and simple, man. All right, next thing, y'all, we have this little hose right here. All right, so with this hose, there's a little clamp thing in the back. All right, all you gotta do is rotate it and then it should pull out. All right, so let's try to get to this thing, man. Voila. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, man, we have this clamp or this hose that was right here. All right, so with this one, y'all, only thing that you got to do is go down, well, push down. All right, and then it's gonna come off. All right, so boom, push back and push down, that's gonna come off. And then on this side right here, y'all, that was right there, y'all can see right there. So this one right here, y'all, only thing that you gotta do is just push down on this tab right here, and then you'll see it unlock. So y'all little, see that? No, y'all can tell what I'm looking at, but these little prongs are going to unlock. Boom, so lock, push down on it, unlock. All right, so boom, that's how you take this right here off. So voila, got that bit off. All right, y'all, so now that we got this little hose right here off, now it's time for us to mount this little bracket. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, we have this little screw thing right here. All right, it's actually next to this little fitting. So we got this thing right here. In our pack, y'all, it comes with these two, I don't want to say washers, but these two little nuts right here. So we're gonna put one threaded on to this bad boy right here. I'd probably say almost flush to this, but I'm gonna leave a little space just for like fitment. All right, so let's thread this one right here on. Man, I got some big hands, bro. I'm telling y'all, these cars, bro. I'm gonna put y'all down. Hold up. I did thread mine all the way on there. All right, so there's no space in between this bolt and this bolt. Now what we finna do, y'all, we finna put this bad boy right here on there. So let's see, that should sit like this. All right, ensure y'all that the JLT is facing you, is not facing the other way like a duck. All right, so make sure this thing is facing the front of the car. All right, y'all. So now we finna put our other bolt on here. All right, so it should sit right flush in here. Y'all, I'm hoping and I'm praying that I don't drop this damn bolt, because that's gonna be tragic. I'm telling y'all, that's gonna be so tragic, bro. All right, so we got this bolt on here, man. All right, boom, voila. So that's sitting up nice and flush, man. Show y'all right quick how I got this thing up here. All right, now what we wanna do. All right, y'all, so now that we have our bracket tight, only thing that we wanna do now, like I said, y'all, make sure that y'all putting the JLT facing forward. All right, you wanna get this long hose, okay? The long hose, you wanna tuck it in the back of this. Ooh, tuck it behind here. All right, boom. We got this. Then you wanna attach this right here down. All right, y'all. So there is like this little notch right here. You wanna push it and then push it down. All right, y'all. So push it, as y'all can see, the little green thing's open, pushing, and then boom, you should hear like a click, a loud click. All right, y'all. So now that we have this one right here nice and tight on there, all right, you might have to turn this hose, which is fine, y'all. All right, because as y'all can see, this right here is only going like this. All right, y'all, it's only going one way. So if we turn it to where we need it to be flush, nice and straight, then we should be good, man. So boom, put this right here up like so, put this down here, and then voila. Boom, this has to be flushed all the way along. So like I said, y'all, it is like a tight fitment, man. I have big hands, so it's kind of hard for me, but for y'all small-handed folk, y'all should be good. So you should hear another click. I actually heard the click, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all, man. So if y'all can see, which y'all probably can't see inside there, but yeah, y'all, so see this right here, in here, it should be flushed all the way up against the supercharger. All right, y'all, so now that we got this one right here nice and clicked, this one right here nice and clicked, y'all, now we can attach our JLT oil catch can to our 2 bolts. All right, y'all, so that's what's finna happen right now. We have our 2 bolts right here, so let's get to that, man. So the catch can is all on, man. Like I said, y'all, comes with OEM fittings, man. You want to push this down till you hear a click. All right, and then skirt this one down here as well. Hopefully y'all can see right there. You want to push that down till you hear a click as well. You want to mount your 2 screws with the bracket on top. All right, y'all, so after you finish tightening up everything, y'all, you want to make sure that you have clearance between the catch can and the belt, which as y'all can see we do. And also behind here, right, you want to make sure that you have clearance between this hose and also the throttle body. All right, y'all, and it looks like we have that clearance. Okay, so yeah, man, I think it's really good, y'all, that I did put this on with only 1,400 miles on my supercharger. All right, I don't race much. I don't really hit it like crazy, nothing like that, y'all. So I think it's very beneficial for your engine. It's probably one of the most important engine mods, you know, among anything else that you do. So yeah, I think it's a really good buy. Like I said, got this y'all for like 130, 140 or something like that off Amazon. I think it was somewhere around that price, y'all. Much more cheaper than billet technology and blah 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 blah. All right, y'all, tools that I use for this install, man, just a 15mm ratchet or whatever, because this screw right here is a 15mm, with both of these are 15mm. So yeah, man, y'all have any questions, bro, put them in the comments, man. I'm always answer y'all 100%, baby. So yeah, CEEFAM, look, that will conclude today's video, man. I appreciate y'all for stopping in. As always, baby, leave a comment down below. Do y'all have an oil catch can? If y'all do have an oil catch can, which one do y'all have? All right, like I said, I ended up going, I guess, the cheaper option, but the best option per quality. All right, y'all, I'm quality over quantity any day. All right, y'all, so if I can get the same exact product that does the same exact thing, like the JLT oil catch can separator 3.0, then guess what? That's what I'm gonna get, man. Why get, I don't know, billet technology one, y'all, that costs $220 plus, right? Well, you can just get a different color to match your car. I got black, y'all. I'm not too big on the engine mods and blah blah blah, so black is gonna go with any single color exterior that you have. All right, that's just my opinion, y'all. I'm not finna pay $220 plus just for something that'll do the exact same thing as one that costs $150. Come on, man, simple math, baby, simple math. But look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man, all that good stuff, baby. It's your boy C Will, and I'll holler at y'all on the next one. Let's get to it.